Hey guys, these days I am in my village and it's so impossible to do astrophotography from my city now because as you guys know that there are a lot of lights that have been installed by the authorities in the town, and it was making me kind of move away from my hobby, and it was really a pita. Unfortunately जब मैं गांव आया तो I also saw that यहाँ पर भी एक लाइट इंस्टॉल हुआ है. दे हैव पुट अ लाइट हियर. अब मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि मैं गांव आया हुआ हूँ एंड I'm planning to build an observatory for myself here. I was having this land here towards the edge of the hill, so you can see that's another hill. That's behind that is another hill, and this one is basically the hill that I am at, and this is my land here. Very small land, but I think it's sufficient for me to build an observatory for myself where I can do my astronomy without any disturbance from anybody. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing astronomy from this place because this is really good place to do astronomy. It's not an excellent site, but it's very good site. It's like better than being at bottle 4, but a lot of street lights as well. Work is already underway, so let me show you how far I have come with the work of the observatory. So stay tuned and I will keep updating you with all the new updates about the observatory build. Hey guys, I'm Ramesh. I'm an amateur astronomer and an astrophotographer, and welcome to Tehri Skies. Na na. The sky is somewhat clear today. I think I should be able to capture something. Unfortunately, I have not brought my bigger mount here that can bear the load of my RC6. So here is the view from the observatory site. You can see the sky is a bit kind of clear today. The work of the observatory is just not taking off. I'm just getting pulled away with different sort of things, and it still needs to be started. So the pier is going to be installed there in the middle. It's going to be 8 by 8 for room for an observatory, and then 8 by 8 room for an extra room. So that's the plan here. This mess still needs to be cleaned up. I have left the stump of this tree here. Maybe I will use this thing for as a pier at some point for my another scope. I will see to it. So that's the update for right now. That's south here. It's pretty clear from south, and that's the north. Hey guys, so here I am at the observatory site. I don't know if you can see this or not, and it's difficult for me to. You can see I have put these threads here. That is basically marking for the observatory, and right there will be my pier somewhere in the middle, and from there a lot of sky is visible. I can show you from here. You see it from here. There, the pier is going to be installed right here, and then there is another room there that will be made. So right now I am kind of perplexed I was thinking of just cutting off this part of the land from here and then have a wall built up there. The second thought I have is I will make all these things, all the walls here with a metal sheet. So I'm right now confused if I should make the observatory with the metal sheets or if I should make it with brick and mortar. So that's where I'm confused right now. I'm just not able to make any decision on that. So I will see to it. I have very tight budget right now because I've made all of my spending on the equipments. So I'm left with very less money to make this observatory. So I will see. I mean, I will make it for sure, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it with a fire ash brick or a regular brick and mortar or the metal sheets. So I will have to see to it. So here's the foundation work. The foundation work is in progress now. So the land still needs to be cut from here like this, and then it will appear just like that. The pier will be installed right in the middle of this thing. Then the foundation will be made here, and then the walls will be erected. देख मैं थोड़ी ऑलरेडी तब घूमना ठंडू So today is I think the fourth day at the construction site, and I'm here. The foundation is almost done here. You can see this, and then you can see we are digging the ground here, which is basically for the washroom. So there will be washrooms here, 2 washrooms at least. Yeah, so that's what the progress is right now. The only thing now we are waiting for here is to get the walls erected, and once it is done and the roof is made, at least I can bring in my telescope here, and while the wall will be erected, while the wall is getting erected, I will ensure that I build a pier inside. I will see like how high the walls are going to be. I'm expecting it to be like 8 feet, so it stays kind of cool inside because there's a lot of heat here. The sun shines right over our head, and it's very warm area here in this part of the location. So I definitely need to make sure that the room stays cool, the telescope stays cool. The temperature at times goes to more than 50 degrees Celsius, so it's that hot here, so you can imagine. So that's why I want the observatory to be at least 8 feet high instead of something like 6 or 7 feet high. So that's the plan. You can see it's like the foundation is already done, and right now other works are getting done. Then yep, so that's the update right now. I will keep you guys updated with all the progress that is happening here. Meanwhile, enjoy the sunset from here. Sun is about to set in like next 15 to 30 minutes.